Well, greetings, my friends. I'm Nate Rackiewicz, your host for FuseBytes. It's a podcast brought to you by Fusemachines. I'm really excited to be with you here this week, talking about AI readiness in companies, which is the topic of this year's focus of FuseBytes. It's a new season of FuseBytes. We're going to have about 10 episodes in this season. Really excited to get started today with episode number 1 that will focus on understanding AI readiness, the foundations for success. How do you think companies should prioritize their AI initiatives to maximize success?
I would encourage companies to think about their data maturity roadmap and say, where are they? Which will then give them some insights to, are they AI ready? Which then you used to say, what pilots can I do to either advance or move the needle to get to where I need to be on a maturity paradigm?